Today we have pizza from Nuts About Bolts and More. Real yardie from the cool, cool hills of Manchester. You cool?
Not like first time.
Like first time. Yes.
Not like first time, master. It get warmer and warmer now.
Alright, so Granny from Kingston with our artist can come here.
Yes, man.
So Peter is gonna tell us what are for him favorite childhood memory as a Jamaican.
Yes, man. You know, so my favorite childhood memory. My father have a nice plot of land and normally cut down some tree and then sitting there and, you know, whatever left off of the tree, they call it bram them and limb them and they sit there. We normally pack them up in such a way where we create this bonfire. So for Sunday evening, we normally go around the bonfire and we talk. Be foolishness and stuff. My father usually talk about field childhood experience and stuff. So we usually enjoy that. And we always look forward, you know, as young children, we always look forward for Sunday evening because we are say, we want to hear what daddy have to say this a week about field childhood memories and stuff. Because we always have some colorful childhood memories. So I look forward for that, you know.
Alright. Bless up daddy.
Yeah man. Yeah man. Bless up to daddy.
You ever tell us a duppy laugh keke kinky?
No, somebody he tell me what time when you ride through one duppy. Right, underneath the duppy and the head swell big.